Hello everyone, welcome to BackTech Product. In today's video, I will show you the best bread maker machine. So stay with us for product details. Let's get started. Product features. Versatile baking options with 19 preset programs offer flexibility for breads, doughs, jams, yogurt, and more. Compact and efficient design with a small footprint saves counter space while producing perfectly shaped, evenly baked loaves. Customizable baking with manual control for kneading, rise, and bake times allows personal recipe experimentation. User-friendly for beginners, simple controls and included recipes make it easy for first-time users to succeed. Convenient features including a delay timer, keep warm function, and fruit nut reminder streamline the bread-making process. Enhanced safety with overload and overheat protection ensures safe operation and peace of mind. Durable and well-equipped with a full set of accessories, including spare kneading paddle and backed by a 2-year warranty. Pros: extremely flexible for bread, doughs, jams, and yogurt. Compact design fits any kitchen. Manual controls let you experiment. Beginner-friendly for confident baking. Convenient features save time. Safe, durable, and reliable. Cons: with 19 programs and manual controls, it takes some time to learn. Occasional bakers may not use all the features. Compact size is great, but large 2-pound loaves may need a bigger model. Premium features add cost if you don't fully use them. Final thoughts. If you're ready to level up your home baking, whether bread, doughs, or even jams, the Briskind BM86 offers an excellent balance of features, ease, and value. For beginners or experienced bakers alike, it gives you room to grow. If you want full control, safety, compact design, and real versatility, this machine nails it. If you're only making bread occasionally and don't care about extras like jam or yogurt, you may find a simpler machine will do, so weigh your needs. Overall, this is a very solid pick in the best bread maker machine category. Thanks for watching. Check the price link in the description and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Product and like this video. See you in the next one.